Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here. So in today's episode, I wanted to just let you guys in on a little car life secret, just you know, how to stay clean. We're gonna take a look at how to keep your clothes clean. Now, you know, it's quite simple. You're only gonna need a few bucks, maybe like $10. And in this video, we're gonna go to the dollar store, because let's be honest here, I'm not buying the soap they sell at the laundromat. They sell that thing for like 2 or 3 times the price you can get at the dollar store, same brand and everything. So I'm gonna make my way down to the dollar store, get some soap, some laundry soap, bleach, and some fabric softener, because you know you gotta keep your clothes feeling nice, you dig? You know, so after that, we're gonna head on over to the laundromat, exchange some bills for some coins, you know, and get everything situated, get everything nice and clean. And well, I guess I'm gonna take you guys with me.
GoPro. Are you recording everywhere you go?
Yeah, I'm making a little video.
Nice. There you go.
Thank you. You have a good one. Thanks. Bye. Alright, so we just picked up all our equipment to go do our laundry. Let's see, we've got your laundry soap. It's good for like 3 washes. Probably only gonna do 2 today. And then I've got the bleach for my whites, just my towels and stuff. And that's more than enough. I tend to use like half of the bottle and leave the rest in case somebody else needs it. That way it doesn't spill in my car. And then we've got the fabric softener. You gotta keep your clothes soft, man. You gotta be comfortable at all times. And last but not least, your dryer sheets. Keep your clothes smelling pretty banging. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the laundromat. It's one of my favorite laundromats out here, because it's kind of quiet. It's in a nice quiet area. It's a nice zone. It's called Suds. And yeah, I'll see you there. Alright, so these are the $3 ones, as you can see. I think I might be able to take care of my loads with just 2 of them, one for white, one for colors. And then if I normally if I have like a bigger load, I use this one's for 25 for like 3 loads possibly. It's a dryer surround here. Pretty cool laundromat, snack machine, arcade. Alright, then let's go get some change. Hello, can I get some change? Thank you very much. Yes, I don't know if you could see it, but they sell the same brand of dryer sheets over here for like $3, and the soaps they sell them for like $4. I mean, they're double the size, but I don't need that much soap, so I'm good with dollar store soap. And then you've also got your dollar soaps right here, which are meant for 1 load, but to be honest, I don't really like them. I don't feel like they give off a lot of scent, or you know, I don't like the way they clean my clothes.
Dónde está, tengo el 360 para saber. Yo no sé si soy yo, pero a veces las que parecemos...
go inside.
Oh, okay, I see. All right, I'll try to do it. Let's see.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I tried.
This is the last one, and hopefully my camera doesn't die because it's at 5%. Let's go. Thank you for everything. Bueno, pues aquí los dejo. Espero que les gustó el video, espero que aprendieron algo y espero bueno, pues, que les haga algo de beneficio los videos, ni siquiera que les alegren el día. Y bueno, los espero ver la siguiente vez. No se les olvide presionar el like, no se les olvide darle like, comentar.